Hey everyone, this is Akshay, pursuing BE in Information Science and Engineering at Saptagiri College. Currently doing an internship at Coronado Technologies Private Limited on the domain Internet of Things. So this is my first project on IoT. And the topic is human detector robot. The detecting motions or movements has always been important in most of the projects. With the help of PIR sensor, it has become very easy to detect human movements. In this project, I'm going to interface a PIR sensor with a microcontroller like Arduino and with a LED blinking and a beeping buzzer. Whenever a movement is detected, the following actions are performed. So for this, we are having a components. First one is PIR sensor. A PIR sensor is a passive infrared sensor. It is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from objects in its field of view that are most often used in PIR-based motion detectors. PIR sensors are commonly used in security alarms and their automatic lighting applications. And next is Arduino Uno. It is an open source microcontroller board based on the Microchip ATmega328 microcontroller, and it was developed by Arduino CC. It is LED light emitting diode, which is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. This is breadboard, which is a construction base for prototyping of electronics thing. This is potentiometer, which is having 3 terminal resistor with a sliding or rotating contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. This is a resistor, which is a passive 2-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. And this is LCD 16:2 display. It's a liquid crystal display. It is a flat panel display or electronically modulated optical device which uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals combined with polarizers. So they do not emit light directly, instead using a backlight or reflector to produce images in the color or monochrome. So this is piezo buzzers, which are simple devices that can generate basic beeps and tones. These are wires used for connecting purpose, and we have got the components. So let's get into the interface and coding part in Tinkercad. And this is the interface. This is PIR sensor, this is buzzer, this is LED, potentiometer, resistance, LCD display, and Arduino Uno. So the working is, if the PIR sensor detects motion, then the buzzer and LED goes high and the buzzer starts to beep and LED gets on. With high potentiometer, the LCD displays motion detected here. If there is no any movement or motion detected, then LED and buzzer goes low, and hence due to high potentiometer, LCD displays not detected. Let us come to coding part. This is coding part. We are taking PIR sensor as input and LED and buzzer as output here. Here, if the motion is detected in the sensor, then it goes high, and hence buzzer and LED will be high and prints a motion detected. And here, and when the states are low, it prints a not detected. So coming to simulation part, see we don't have any PIR sensor detecting any motion, so we can see it is not detected. So if any motions are detected, see is motion detected, and we can hear the buzzer sound with LED on. So this is end of my project. So finally, I thank Coronado Technology for giving knowledge and this kind of opportunities to present my project. Thank you everyone. Thank you.